Hi everyone, welcome back to our basic computer skills series. Today I will show you step by step how to manage file on your computer. We will cover creating folder, naming files, and moving files and search them. Let's start by creating a folder. Place cursor anywhere on desktop, then right click. From this option choose new session, then folder. Now you create a new folder. Also, you can create a folder within a folder by using the same step. Place cursor anywhere on folder, right click, new session, then folder. Now let's organize our file by moving them into the folder we just created. Simple, drag and drop into the new folder, or right click on the file, select cut and paste it on the new folder. Next, let's rename a file to make it easy to find later. Right click on the file. From this option choose show more option. For Windows 11 user, for Windows 10 user, you can see this option rename. Select on the rename and now you can change your name. If you ever lose the track on a file, you can use the search bar to find on it. On Windows, the search bar is at the bottom of the screen. Just type the file name or keyword and the result will appear. And that is for file management. By following this step, you will keep your computer organized and easy to use. In the next video, we will explore even more tools to help you work efficiently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.